Hey Bob, who are some of the professionals and non-professional people that I should surround myself with when I plan my estate?
Well, that's a good question. I think the first person you should consult or surround yourself with is an attorney who has some familiarity with wills, trusts, and estates. That person can probably, make the outline that will help your estate be administered orderly, after you pass away. You would want to also, talk with an accountant if there's any tax ramifications with some of the things you want to do with the assets in your estate. Accountants also serve the role of filing the last income tax return, and then while the estate is being administered, those income tax returns are now called fiduciary returns. Uh, and those also have to be filed. Filing income tax really never ends until all the money is given out. And there also may be a possibility that some of the assets in the estate are taxable, are income taxable. Those might be things like tax deferred products. Tax deferred means you don't pay it while you're alive, but the people who inherit it do pay it after you pass away. You'd also want to probably talk to a financial advisor to make some wise investments, wise, stable, conservative to moderate investments to make sure that your assets are preserved yet growing. And maybe you want to also consult with a life insurance person. Uh, some of your assets may not be liquid, like a house. Uh, that will give you any money around the time of your death. You may need to cover your spouse and children, give them some liquidity money that they can use, to carry on their lives, and that's one of the roles of insurance. And then finally, maybe a person that you trust to be your, they used to call it power of attorney. Today they call it agent. You'd make a power of attorney to somebody who would be able to run your financial dealings while you're alive. Powers of attorney stop the moment you die. But while you're alive, you may also need someone to run your affairs in the event you become incapacitated and can't carry on, doing the business that you used to. So all of those people, if you surround yourself with those or consult with those people, you have a pretty good base, a pretty good team of people to, have an orderly transition of your estate when you're not around.